Okay, so we are back home on a beautiful sunrise Thursday morning here in Aurora. The F9f5 is lined up on the end of the runway. We're going to put our flaps in takeoff position. We're going to test all our control surfaces. Everything is good. This is our first flight since flying in Indianapolis, and we had a little bit of a bumpy landing at the Scooby-Doo airstrip. So we're all set up on the runway, and engine is armed, and we are clear for takeoff. And just like clockwork, oh, we flew right into a flock of birds there, but we're good. And it is flying beautifully. I'm trying to keep her up high above the sun when I'm in the, well, we got a little disoriented there, but we're okay. When I get into the eastern sky, because the sun is low on the horizon, and it's really easy to get disoriented fast with these planes, especially since they're fighter planes and they're, you know, their shape is designed to be difficult to discern which direction they're moving in. So yeah, there's that. Okay, let's get ready to bring her in for a landing. How about that? So do our final turn to base, drop the gear, come out of that turn, lower the throttle way down. You know what? We're going to put the flaps back up, because I almost rushed that approach. And today's theme is safety first. So we're going to get a nice, beautiful turn with the sun in our background. Gear is still down. We get out. We get some distance. Turn again to base. As we come out of that turn, we drop the flaps, pull our throttle back to idle, line up beautifully with the runway, and flare the landing, and sit her down beautifully. And then we turn around. Well, we're aiming for the runway, but our turning radius is a little bit thin. Ooh, look at all that water dripping out from under the plane. Put our flaps back to flying position. Welcome back home, Mr. Bray. We're just dripping water.